If you want to make passive income using Chat, this video is for you. Today I'm showing you a simple method to make $100 a day using AI. No experience needed. No investment needed. Just follow every step until the end. Welcome back to the channel. I teach beginners how to make money online using AI tools. And today's strategy is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income in the US. Let's get started. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful money-making tools right now. Millions of US businesses need content every single day. They need scripts, emails, blogs, social posts, and product descriptions, but they don't have time to write these, and they don't want to hire expensive writers. This creates a massive opportunity for you. With ChatGPT, you can create high-quality content in minutes, and people are willing to pay $10 to $100 per project. And when you turn your content into digital products, it becomes passive income. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The best US niches are finance, real estate, fitness, relationships, e-commerce, digital marketing, YouTube scripts, Amazon reviews. Pick one niche and stick with it. Specialists earn more than general creators. Step 2. Create digital products using ChatGPT. These products sell over and over, generating passive income daily. Examples of high-demand products: YouTube script bundles, TikTok content packs, Instagram caption kits, ebook templates, printable planners, Amazon review bundles, email marketing sequences, blog post packs, content calendars. You create once and sell forever. This is the power of passive income with AI. Step 3. Use Chat to produce the content fast. For example, ask Chat, write a 2-minute YouTube script in an American tone about saving money in 2025. You get a ready-made script you can sell. Create 20-30 scripts. Package them as a bundle. Sell the bundle for $15 to $25. One product can sell hundreds of times. Step 4. Upload your products to US traffic platforms. Best platforms include Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Creative Market, Fiverr Semi-Passive, Amazon KDP. These websites already have millions of US buyers. You upload once, and the platform brings the traffic. Use SEO keywords in your titles. Examples: YouTube script bundle for US creators, small business content pack, AI social media templates. Step 5. Automate your system. Use Canva for design. Use Chat for writing. Use Google Drive for storage. Use Payhip or Gumroad for auto delivery. Use Zapier if needed. Customers buy. Files deliver automatically. You earn money. Step 6. Drive free US traffic to your products. Use Pinterest. Use TikTok. Use YouTube Shorts. Use Reddit. Use Facebook groups. These platforms have massive US audiences. Add keywords like, for US creators, for American entrepreneurs, US market templates. This helps the algorithm push your content to US viewers.
Step 7. Scale to $100 per day. Create more content bundles. Add new niches. Improve your product covers. Add strong SEO keywords. Upload to multiple platforms. When you have 15 to 20 products, income becomes consistent. Some days you'll make $30, some days $150, but averaging $100 a day becomes realistic. Bonus tip: create a low-cost starter product, like a mini script pack or caption kit. Price it at $3.99 to $5, and US buyers love low entry prices. This gets your first sale fast. Then you upsell your bigger bundles. Avoid beginner mistakes, only uploading one product. Using bad thumbnails. No SEO keywords. No niche focus. Expecting sales without promotion. Winning product examples. Real estate script bundles. Fitness caption kits. Automation YouTube scripts. Amazon review templates. Budget planners. Digital marketing email packs. Relationship advice posts. Here's your simple $100 a day plan. Day 1, pick a niche. Day 2, create one product. Day 3, create one more. Day 4, upload with SEO. Day 5, promote on Pinterest and TikTok. Day 6, create a third product. Day 7, improve covers and descriptions. Repeat weekly. If you want more AI money-making tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment if you want a free list of 50 digital product ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.